The NCCE started the education on the pandemic in the first quarter of the year when the Church of Pentecost saw our staff struggling in the field to do community engagements, and they provided the commission with some vehicles to do the engagements. Later, we got Mr. Jose's group, the private sector fund, coming in to offer training to our staff, and then we got other partners as well coming in. And then our activities became so visible on the ground to the extent that some civil society organizations started crying that we were operating with very obsolete or none at all in terms of operational equipment. So they were crying that government should come to our aid. We had a very positive response from His Excellency, the President, who invited us to tell him exactly what we needed. He gave us some money, 2.5 million cedis, and we told him that, Your Excellency, we have this money, but we don't have the equipment to work with. He went ahead to borrow us or loan to the Commission 50 pickup vehicles. You can imagine what this did to the Commission. A Commission which operates or operated a national budget of about 1 million Ghana cedis, getting 2.5 million Ghana cedis and 50 loan vehicles to do community engagement on COVID-19. It was so huge. We had earlier approached the fund, and surprisingly, we were again given an amount of 2.5 million Ghana cedis by the fund. And this was unprecedented in the history of this commission. I have been working with the commission since its inception in 1994, so I'm saying this on authority that it's unprecedented. Your leadership, the commission is so grateful. Our field officers in the field just want to have a glimpse of who you are. They want to see your face. They know you are the former CJ, but they want to see your face. We hope that one of these days we'll have you in the field so that you have some physical contact with our field officers. Now, with the 2.5 million cedis and the background I had given, we decided that we have to go into procurement of operational equipment because we had 260 district offices across the country, and we had 16 regional offices. 6 of the new ones had no vehicles. So the fund approved of the procurement of 10 pickups, brand new, not home use, brand new vehicles. The fund, again, by this tall list, if it's possible, I'll make it available to participants here because of the brevity required here. We're able to procure 60 public address system, the horns, the PA system itself, because His Excellency, the President, gave us 50 pickups, and we didn't have the equipment. So the fund, with the support you gave to us, we were able to operationalize the vehicles His Excellency gave to the Commission by mounting the horns on them and now hitting the ground running. Thank you so much. From there, we also bought megaphones because most of the district offices had no vehicles. So we gave them megaphones so that once they get some TNT, they can travel to the interior with the megaphones and make their engagements reality. The 10 pickups we procured from the fund, we sent 6 of them to the new regions We gave one of them to the Upper West region. The regional office of the whole of Upper West region did not have a vehicle. So we said, should go there and help them do the engagement. We kept 3 in Accra because Accra appears to be the epicenter of the pandemic. Then one of the greatest usefulness of the support you give to us, your leadership, we had broken down vehicles. These are vehicles between 15 and 16 years old. They were given to us during the reign of President Kufuor. They were lying down. We were able to plow some money from what you gave to us to resurrect, to bring back to life 16 of them. And these vehicles are now running, and they have the horns, and they are doing the community engagements. Again, we have a very strong human resource base. We have units under this commission that are well-trained in the work they do. We design our own educational materials, but we lack the equipment. So with this support, we were able to buy the design equipment, MacBook, the laptop or so, and another one, HP. And these equipment help us to design our own educational materials and send them out to the commercial houses for printing. We are so grateful. Also, at the onset of this disease, almost all our meetings with our officers were virtual. And we are a mass organization. We are present across the country. Everywhere we are present. And presence is part of our core mandate. How to meet our staffs, to engage them was a problem. The laptops we bought out of the fund was able to connect us easily to Zoom meetings. We are so grateful. We did not stop there. We had money, and we still have money in our reserve running the vehicles for fuel and for my routine maintenance, for both the old, the resurrected ones, and the new ones. We also have used part of the money to monitor the activities in the field. We have also, your leadership, made some savings, which we have written to you to allow us to use that to run commercials on the traditional broadcasting systems. Once we get your approval, we will run into another engagement on air. So far, I want to share the pictures of some of the activities, and then I will wind up and take my seat. So far, with the support that we have received from you, our partners in the field, we want to synergize our operations. We want to remove all the duplications and make sure that we save resources. And one key actor in this area, worthy of mention, is the Ghana Medical Association. And they are doing so wonderful with us in the field that I love to show some of the pictures. Yes, these are vehicles procured by the fund. We got 10 of these. Let's run. I want us to see, yes, these ones were from His Excellency the President, but the horns mounted on them are from the fund. We have been able to engage. These are one of the old ones, as you can see. We have resurrected this one. They were lying idle, but for your intervention, we would have auctioned them. Thank you so much, the fund. May I end by saying that, yeah, that's the engagement with the GMA. We also have a lot of social media activities. May I end by saying that with what we have gained from the fund, we are going to work, we are now equipped to work beyond even when the fund folds up. Because these vehicles will have over 10-year lifespan. And we believe any engagement in terms of the pandemic, in terms of any emerging public health challenge, the vehicles will be available for us. And we are mainstreaming all COVID-19 issues into our operations. So from the, when the people were massing up to register with the prostate first place, up to the electoral commission and beyond, we are using the equipment to mainstream. And we mainstream in every activity. Last week, we were with His Excellency, the President, and Dr. Asare gave a very good testimony of the kind of collaboration we have had and the fruit that it's bearing. We thank you so much, and we hope this collaboration will not end here. We will strengthen the collaboration as we move on. Thank you very much for this opportunity.